Curry Laksa cheat recipe by Chef S.K. Dillon and Chef Sherry. Ingredients: 1 packet curry laksa, also called laksa stock paste. It's available at any Asian grocery store. 1 packet coconut powder or coconut milk can also be used. 2 pieces of fish cake, 6 pieces of fish balls, 1 chicken breast. Place the chicken in a saucepan of water, add a teaspoon of salt and let it boil till the chicken is cooked. Keep the chicken stock, shred the chicken finely. 2 pieces of lemongrass, 100 grams of long beans, cut them into small pieces of 1 inch length. 200 grams of bean sprouts, wash the bean sprouts and strain. 200 grams of egg noodles, soak the egg noodles in water for 5 minutes to remove excess oil and to separate the noodles. Sieve the noodles. 300 grams of rice noodles, bring water to boil, turn off the gas, put the rice noodles into hot water and let it stand for 2 to 3 minutes. Sieve the noodles. Now all ingredients are now ready. Beautiful. Preparation: finely slice the fish cake. Slice each fish ball into half. In 300 ml of water, add coconut powder. Mix well until there are no lumps. Add a little oil into the saucepan and then add laksa paste from the packet. Add in 900 ml of chicken stock. If it is less, you can add in some more water and boil for 5 minutes. Add in the coconut milk and boil for another 5 minutes. Add in long beans and let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes to soften the vegetable. Add in bean sprouts, fish balls, fish cake, shredded chicken, lemongrass, rice noodles and egg noodles, and let it boil for at least 5 minutes on low heat. The curry laksa is now ready to be served. It's so beautiful and so delicious looking, isn't it? Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please do click the like button, share and also subscribe to this channel to watch many more videos like this.